Yes, teachers, all set? All are ready? Just now you had a tea break, there is no energy at all. Are you ready? Are you ready? Louder! Are you ready? Well, good morning. A very warm, grateful and heartfelt welcome to each one of you present here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say that beauty is only in appearance, not only in appearance, but in the smiles we wear and the confidence we carry. Today, as I look around this beautiful gathering, मुझे एक शायरी याद आ रही है. आप सब लोग बहुत 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 खूबसूरत लग रहे हो. So let me tell you one thing. अर्ज किया है, चेहरों की मुस्कान से महफिल सज जाती है. अजी वाह वाह तो कीजिए. चेहरों की मुस्कान से महफिल सज जाती है. दिल से जो आए वो बात बन जाती है. आज आप सब इतने खूबसूरत और ग्रेसफुल लग रहे हो कि लगता है खुद खुशियां भी यहाँ मेहमान बन जाती है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आप सभी के लिए. Well, before we begin, let us fill this hall with positive energy. Are you all excited? Are you all excited? Yes. Everybody, raise your right hand. Repeat with me, okay? Raise your right hand. Yes. Repeat after me. I learn. I teach. I inspire. Louder. I learn. I teach. I inspire. I transform lives. Fantastic. Please give a huge round of applause for yourself. Well, today isn't a mere certificate distribution ceremony. It is a celebration of dedication, a celebration of learning, and above all, a certificate of every teacher who choose to grow. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So, we are honoring those warriors who shaped the future through education. I, Chandrika Bhosle, feel privileged to be your host for this program. It is a certificate distribution program organized by Yasati Group of Institutions, Kalburgi. So once again, I welcome everyone for this wonderful program. Before we step into the essence of today's program, let us first take a brief and significant glimpses of the vision, value and impact of Yasati Group of Institutions, Kalburgi. Yasati stands for Students Research Jargon, but beyond its full form, Yasati represents innovation, excellence, values and transformation in education. Yasati founded in 2015 by the visionary education leaders Sri Raghavendra K. Joshi sir and Srimati Supriya R. Joshi ma'am. Yasati begins with a powerful mission to redefine learning through creativity, creative skills and strong educational values. Today, Yasati proudly completes an 11 years of excellence, having positively impacted thousands of students and teachers across the Kalyan Karnataka region. Which started with just 50 students has now grown into a vast educational network of 20,000 plus learners and 100 plus trained teachers and 100 plus partnered schools. Yasati firmly believes that real educational changes begin with teachers. That is why Yasati not only trains only students, it first empowers teachers through abacus, Vedic mathematics, spoken English, handwriting skills, career counseling, and child counseling. Yasati has built a strong academic foundation for children. At the same time, through NTT, FDT, practical technical skills, communication skills, and personality development programs, Yasaji has shaped confidence, commitment, and compassion educators. In the last 2 years, Yasaji has trained over 10,000 teachers through workshops, certification courses, and faculty development programs. Yasaji also nurtures students' confidence through district level and state level competitions across Kalyan Karnataka region, where more than 5,000 plus students showcase their brilliance and their talent. The institution's remarkable journey has earned a prestigious international recognition. Yasaji Group of Institutions has been honored by the Influencers Book of World Records for successfully conducting a large-scale abacus and Vedic mathematics examinations with more than 5,000 plus students on a single platform and extraordinary milestones in the educational excellence. Adding another feature to its cap, Yasaji also been recognized by the Forbes International Books of World Records for its exemplary contributions to education, innovation, and social impact, bringing global recognition to its unwavering commitment towards academic excellence. For the past 2 years, Yasaji has proudly organized the prestigious Nari Shakti Samman Awards, celebrating extraordinary women who dedicated has made her last impact on the society. In the first edition, 15 distinguished gynecologists were honored for their tireless service, compassion, and unwavering commitment to the world's women's health care. In the following edition, 15 educationalists were felicitated in recognition of their invaluable contributions to shaping young minds and strengthening the foundation of education. These initiatives beautifully reflect Yasaji's belief that true education is not only about knowledge, it is about honoring excellence and inspiring future generations. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for the Yasaji Group of Institution for conducting such good programs. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Now, I request Mahalakshmi ma'am and Abhinandan sir to kindly escort our guests towards the dais. I request Mahalakshmi madam and Abhinandan sir to kindly escort our guests towards the dais. Please give them a huge round of applause. So today's program inaugurator is Mr. Raghavendra K. Joshi sir, co-founder of Yasaji Group of Institutions, Kalburgi. I warmly and heartfeltly welcome to this program, sir. Followed by our today's chief guest is Mrs. Supriya Raghavendra Joshi ma'am, a CEO and co-founder of Yasaji Group of Institutions, Kalburgi. I warmly welcome you to this program, ma'am. So, a tree begins with a tiny seed. Just a great success begins with a small thought. So, today we shall nurture life by watering a plant. It symbolizes growth, knowledge, hope, and sustainability. May I respectfully invite our guest, Mr. Inaugurator, Mr. Raghavendra K. Joshi sir, and followed by Mr. Supriya Raghavendra Joshi ma'am, to kindly come forward for the watering the plant ceremony. Yes, come on guys, let's have a round of applause. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. So let us move further. A bouquet may wither, but a book blossoms forever. So flowers delight a moment, but book enlighten for a lifetime. At Yasaji Group of Institutions, we believe that greatest gift one can offer is the gift of knowledge. Therefore, instead of presenting the class, we take immense pride in honoring our distinguished guests with books, a timeless symbol of wisdom, inspiration, and lifelong learning. May I now invite Mr. Abhinandan sir to kindly come forward and present a book as a token of our heartfelt gratitude and respect to our inaugurator of this program, Mr. Raghavendra K. Joshi sir, co-founder of Yasaji Group of Institutions, Kalburgi. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Warmth and admiration, I request Mr. Mahalakshmi ma'am to gracefully present a book as a token of appreciation to our respected guest of honor, Mrs. Supriya Raghavendra Joshi ma'am, CEO and co-founder of Yasaji Group of Institutions, Kalburgi. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Books are silent mentors, and today's presentation reflects our deepest respect for leaders who have dedicated their lives to spread knowledge and transforming education. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for accepting this humble token of our appreciation. May your vision continues to illuminate countless minds and inspire generations to come. Well, now it's time to hear some words from our guest. Ladies and gentlemen, every great journey is guided by a visionary, and every vision becomes reality through inspiring leaders. It is now my immense pride and honor to invite a dynamic leader, an exceptional mentor, and the driving force behind countless successful initiatives. Please join me in extending a warm and enthusiastic welcome to Mrs. Supriya Raghavendra Joshi, ma'am. So I invite you to continue the next section, ma'am. So now the stage is all yours. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Happy morning, ma'am.
Of course. I was telling that mindset, not the mindset. Right? Is it fine to go with the English? Should I need to shift my language to Kannada? So if you not understand, someday you are not getting any of the words, please let me know. Please talk me down. Yeah, they change the picture Kannada. Either Hindi as well. But don't hesitate to get the half knowledge. Okay? Get the knowledge with full and pledge. Done? Happiness, how it starts. 21 days the task, we need to start from today. What is that? Morning, how we wake up, how we stand up. When you wake up, what is your first step? What is your first step? Every day morning we wake up, right? We want to have the sleeps in the night. When we wake up, what's your first step to do? Okay, good. Pray to the God. Anything? The psychology says that how you wake up, then you are setting your a day. Okay? If you feel that 5 minutes I need to sit and do the meditation for a day, do it for the 21 days. So the meaning of it, every step you take for a day, you are setting your goal for the 21 days because you are training your mind.